Are you laughing? Ha ha, Benny Boo. It's Riley Roo making Benny Boo giggle. Can you wipe your face, please? It's got baked beans all over it. Do you know how to wipe your face?
No.
Oh, like that. Where are we going now?
To the supermarket.
Do you like the supermarket?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we going to get there?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Ham and chicken.
Ham and chicken, and what else are we going to get?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. What's your favourite breakfast?
I'm not old.
O's! Can you do an O with your finger? Show Mummy.
That's old.
That's right. Are you watching, Benny?